Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace spoke rim in your bike. As you can see, rust has all eaten up this rim and it is very important to replace it to prevent any accident. If you drive like this, serious accident can happen. Now take a 19 mm ring spanner and loosen the nut. This is the nut on the left side. I have loosened it. Now I will remove it by hand. Once you are done, then you have to push it on the other side. Take a hammer or you can beat it with a spanner also. Start beating. Initially go slowly, then after that go harder. Now let's check the other side. See, it has come out. Now pull it, wiggle and out it comes. Now slowly remove the tire. It is a good idea to check the front brake shoe also. This is a good time to replace them. Instead of leaving it upside mudguard, I will show you one professional way so that once you come back, everything is in its place and secure. Place it back and insert the axle. Then tighten the nut. Just hand tight it, no need to tight it with a ring spanner. Now here we need a new rim and spokes. Drum is fine, so we are not changing it. Spoke wheels are better. It costs less and it is easy to fix. Rim and spokes costed me around 720 rupees. If I go for alloy wheel, it was costing me around 4000 rupees. So here is our new rim. Now let's go back and install it. It is a good idea to check and lubricate the wheel bearings also. Bearings are fine, it just needs lubrication. So to lubricate the bearings, I am taking heavy gear oil. It is 75W90. Just push the cover out. Check with your finger. They are fine. So just lubricate it. As you can see, grease is already there. We just add oil in it. Just be careful. Don't let this oil spill inside the drum. Otherwise, your brakes will slip and you will not be having correct braking, or you can say brakes can fail, so you should be very careful with this. Just wipe out the excess oil so that it doesn't get into the drum. Now check the difference, how it looks. I have wiped out entire wheel and I have cleaned the tire with an oil so that the tire remains soft. Just check the difference. We have changed it from this to this. Now I can't wait to install it back and ride the bike. Now we will install it into the bike. First remove this. Fast forward, just go in reverse direction the way we have removed it. We have installed the tire and just tight the nut nice and snug. You should tight it and be careful, do not over tight it, otherwise it may break. First always hand tight it so that you don't cross thread it. Then once you are done with hand tightening, then take the same 19 mm spanner, ring spanner, and tight it nicely. Now check the difference. We have done. Our video is complete here and the vehicle is back to normal. These rims are also very reliable and they are good for very bumpy roads. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, friends. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing.